afternoon. It is Saturday, April 17th. I'm sure glad you stopped by for a visit. If you're new to our garden and our story, welcome. Every Saturday we dedicate a little time to a quick review of what's going on in my garden, and then we go to you and we see what some of you are doing in your gardens. I've been itching to put stuff in the ground just like you guys. But this year, all our warm weather crops, I started just a little late, and it's an unheated greenhouse, so they're going to germinate as they want to. As you can see, we've got some cells that nothing's come up yet. If you're germinating seeds without a heating pad, don't worry, they'll come up when they're ready. And the way that the forecast is going, I got plenty of time before the warm weather crops actually need to go in the ground. Can you believe we've got a forecast for an inch to 2 inches of snow on a line from Oklahoma City through McAllister and on north? We're going to get hit with another polar blast. I cannot believe it. I mean, depending on where you live, it could be better, it could be worse. Our bare root trees are doing really well. We've got leaves. So it all depends on where you live. But if you've been pre-planting, you need to know when your average last frost date is. And that means it's frosted before that date and after that date. You do a little planning, you'll be successful in your garden. Now with that being said, let's go to your house and see what you're doing in your garden. Clint is a new member of this community. He's sending some shots of his tomatoes and pepper starts. We can't wait to see how big your garden's going to be this year. Keep us posted, and welcome to the community. Leon set some trellises, got some cucumbers in the ground, at the same time his potatoes are coming out of the ground. Leon, your garden looks great. Keep us posted, and stay warm. Vivian is a member from Florida. You shouldn't have to worry about this cold snap that's about to hit us. Is that a bundle of sweet potatoes? Where on earth? And you've got tomatoes already. Wow. Okay, everybody check this out.
Making compost tea, Waylon. Heard so many reviews on it. I just hope it works. I won't use it until tomorrow. 24 hours I have to let it sit. You may want to try it. I'll let you know what the results are.
Vivian, thank you. Keep us posted. I want to try that tea. Jackie is using clear plastic to help his young tomatoes. He's itching to plant his squash. Keep us posted and stay warm in this cold weather. Valerie sent us Texas in full bloom. Potatoes and cucumbers, that is. She was fast enough to get shots at her first hummingbirds. That is very nice. Thank you. Keep us posted. Gina has just got a nice gift while waiting for her starts to get big enough. A hugelkultur keyhole raised bed, courtesy of John and Gunner. That is awesome. We're going to love to see this fill out. Keep us posted. Art's Canis is poking through the deep mulch. Gotta love it when a plan comes together. 10 different hot peppers are now sprouted. And that is going to be one fine strawberry patch. Art did say his spade is only a whistle away. It is nice when everybody gets involved in the garden. Willow is garden catgrass in the Carolinas while Lola is lounging in blue bonnets here in Oklahoma. Our community keeps growing just like our gardens keep growing. If you want to participate and show everybody what you're doing at your house, just email me at waylandsmalley5@gmail.com. The email address will be in the description box below. The weather's not supposed to get bad until Tuesday. But if you're interested in some of the pre-planning to get ready for that weather, swing by my garden tomorrow and we'll talk about it. To see more of the community and what everybody's doing in their gardens, click that link right there and I'll meet you back in the garden. Thanks for stopping by, and until next time, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.